Delicious. Mm. Mm. With this, I can finish the whole pineapple. Mm. Hi guys, so good to have you around. It's a beautiful sunny day out here. So good to have you around. Thank you so much for joining. This is your girl Ikafa. And guess what? Today we want to make a delicious pineapple shade. And guess what we are going to use? We are using almond. I know you love almonds. It is so rich in protein. It's a nut that I love so much. You can eat it like this, eat it raw. Delicious, super delicious. And you know what we're going to do with this? I'm going to make milk out of this. Okay, so let's quickly dive into it. I hope you're doing great. It's a Saturday morning right here. Okay, so I have the nut here and I have water in here. So I'll just, pour them in here for just 1 minute. That's 200 grams of almond, okay? Just 1 minute. 1, 2, like 60 seconds. Okay, then we'll peel it. Let's check what we have. Yes, it's 1 minute already. And we have it here. So I'll just filter it, then peel it. Filter the hot water. And move the camera right here so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, yes, we just peel it. Ooh, it's hot, okay? I love to peel it hot, okay, but I'll just add more water so that it doesn't burn my fingers again. Okay, so you just peel it this way. The shell will come off. Yes, very easy. Yeah, we're almost there. It shouldn't take us up to 60 seconds to peel. Yes, beautiful, beautiful. So we have the almond washed here, neatly washed. Okay, the next thing will be to blend this. And we're going to blend it with about 800 cl of water. 800. Okay, let's go. Yeah, so I'm going to add 120 grams of non-refined sugar. I'm going to use the non-refined sugar. If you are allergic to this, you can use any sugar you want, or even if you don't want to use sugar, but we want it sweet. So I'm using 120 grams of refined sugar. Then we have water here on the fire. Just pour the sugar inside the water. Allow it to steam for about 60 seconds to, yes, about 60 seconds, 1 minute. After steaming, okay, then I'll allow it to cool, then blend the almond. So let's quickly do that. Okay, the sugar in here. Now the best time to combine this delicious pineapple is when you're ready to have it. Don't mix it down. No, don't mix it down. When you're ready to have it, when you're ready to enjoy it, that's when you should make it. Don't make it down. Don't mix the milk, and keep it for another day. Enjoy it immediately. Alright, yeah, this is more than this one, right? Okay, I have to put more here. Yes. Okay, now the milk. In here. Then bring the pineapple on top. But please don't mix it down. Don't mix it and keep it for another day. No. Okay. Then of course, have some almond on them. That's good. Yeah, this is what we made today. Let's see. Delicious. With this, I can finish the whole pineapple. Delicious. So what do you think about that? Are you going to make this? If you love pineapple and you're not allergic to the almond nut, okay, so this is a good to go for this summer. So let me use this opportunity to say thank you so much to all our beautiful subscribers, to all our friends watching. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Thank you so much for your encouragement. Thank you for standing by us. Okay, thank you so much. And for you, if you're watching for the first time, this is Eka Farm. Thank you so much. Feel free to like our videos. Feel free to share our videos. Thank you so much, and do have a beautiful summer. Thank you. God bless you. Victoria, you finished your own already. Have a great day. God bless you. Where's the pineapple? Okay. The almond is actually 200. The packet is 200 grams. Yes, 200 grams. 200 grams. 200 grams. Okay. One packet, 200 grams. Okay. 200 grams. How about the water? Plenty of water. The water. How many? What? No, not how many what? No. Yeah. What? Okay. All right. So this is what we made today. Let's see.